Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is what is the use of sort in case of QlikView, or how we can sort the data in alphabetical manner in QlikView. So over here you can see that I have loaded a data. When I'll go to this particular edit script, so you can see that the data is nothing but office city sales, and office city sales table is being loaded. I'll click on OK, go to this particular menu bar and click on reload button. Then go to this main sheet or QlikView document, right click over here, then click on this particular new sheet object, go to the table box. Now if we want to give the name to the table, we can give the name to the table, else we can leave as a. So the available fields options were there. I have clicked on add all, so all the fields is being displayed in this particular box, which is nothing but all the field names or the column headings is being added over here. So what we have to do, we have to go to this particular sort option, or we'll first display the table, click on apply and OK. Then what we have to do, right click on this particular table, click on properties, go to sort. Then there is options given over here, sort by expression, frequency, numeric value, text. So if you want to load the original order, so we can click on load order original and we can click on apply. So this is the original order. You can see the changes over here. Now right click again, go to the properties, go to the particular sort option. Now if we want to sort the data, or if you want to sort the text in the format of Z to A, so now click on this particular text option and click on Z to A, click on apply and OK. So you can see that the manner is being reversed from W to C. So this is Z to A. So in this way we can also do from A to Z. Similarly, we can go to properties. We can do the changes according to the numeric values, frequency, expression, and we can also go to the original data in this particular table. So I hope you have understood how to sort the data in case of QlikView. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.